back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to do another unboxing, and this time it's going to be a YSL card holder. So before I go ahead and do that, I just wanna tell you a little story on how I end up buying this card holder. So yes guys, I did another awesome deal with this one, and so the reason why I got this deal is because it's online browsing in the middle of the night. Yes guys, you heard it right. So I do have babies that wakes up like in the middle of the night, and when I can't sleep I go browse my phone and check for deals that people sleeping won't find. And so there you go. I woke up like around 2 or 3 a.m. and I start browsing, checking deals. And when I went to this seller's page, I saw the card holder. I check all the pictures, I read the description, and with just the pictures I know right then and there that the card holder is authentic. So I have 3 years experience in purchasing luxury items online. I'm not an expert, but I know just by telling in the pictures which are real and which are not, and make sure I always ask questions. But with this item, since it's 2 in the morning, I didn't bother messaging the seller. So I saw the listing, and it is originally posted for $185, and then it says it was a week ago. And then since it wasn't purchased a week ago, I think the seller decided to drop the price for $30 off. So I saw this one for $155. I checked the seller's account and see if I can send an offer. So since it's in the middle of the night, I cannot send a text message, or I can send a message, but I know the seller won't be able to respond. So I just send an offer for $120, and I waited. The following day I was so happy because the seller accepted my offer. I really didn't expect. I thought she'll counter or she will decline. So I am really happy and excited. Offer was accepted Friday, and the seller shipped it Saturday, and today is Monday. I'm so happy. I thought it's going to be delivered tomorrow, but yes, here it is now. So there you go. I'll go ahead and open it. By the way, this one is shipped from Nevada, and yeah, the reason why she is selling this, it's because she bought another brand, or she bought another card holder, so she decided to resell it. So ta-da! It's a nice wrapping. Oh, it's color green. And it's so beautiful. Okay. It looks, it's pre-loved, but it's still in great condition. So you can see some very minimal sign of usage. Oh my, it's so beautiful. I thought it's black, but it's green, olive green, but it's fine. Okay. It has the tag, and it says here it is originally for $275, but yes, I only got this for $120, but I paid $135 including the shipping and the tax. So I think it's not a bad price since the condition is really great. I can see it's great condition, and if you can see, there's the Saint Laurent Paris, made in Italy. That's one way to find out or to check the authenticity of the card holder, plus a serial number on the side. There you go. I don't want to stretch it more, and yes, I really love this. It really looks expensive, but in my opinion, even I think even if I have money, I won't spend $275 plus tax, let's say $300 for a card holder like this. That's why I'll always end up buying pre-love. I don't care. I don't see anything wrong in buying pre-love stuff. In fact, I'm helping the mother nature in recycling this one, because instead of like throwing, or you know, I get to keep and use it. So with my overall experience with this purchase, I'm so happy that I normally I would see this like posted for $275 as well, especially if seller puts it's $395 for the price, but it says here in the tag price it's $275. I paid $135, and it's still in great condition. It's authentic with its dust bag. I don't need a box. It's perfect, and experience in purchase as always. I love it. Yeah, like I said, I won't be spending $275 or $300 for a card holder like this, but definitely I'll look for a great deal for a pre-love item like this. So there you go, guys. That's my review for this one. My experience in purchasing and getting an awesome deal. There you go. So guys, if you find this video useful, or if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be updated and notified, please ring the bell, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. God bless. Bye.